Namaskar, I am your host Narayankar. Today I woke up in the morning to hashtag EVMs trending on Twitter. As usual, the ecosystem started to blabber on Twitter, and the usual suspects were Ek Gaudi Ka Vakil, Prashant Bhushan, and the holy cow master Shashi Tharoor. And of course, some Lutyens media also jumped into the ring because a BJP MLA named by Krishnendu Paul was connected with this incident which had taken place in Assam just after the second phase of polling completed. An EVM was allegedly being transported in his Bolero car, and it so happened that the local people saw this and they created a ruckus, and for a small period of time there was a tension in the Karimganj district of Assam. Commenting on this incident, Prashant Bhushan and Shashi Tharoor claimed that this incident shows the slide in the democratic culture under Modi's rule at the center and the BJP's rule in the state. But when any of the opposition leaders are accused of some such kind of violations, these people don't talk anything about it. For instance, both of them and the left liberal cabal haven't spoken a word on the accusation leveled by the BJP's Suvendu Adhikari against Mamata Banerjee. He alleged that Mamata Banerjee had pressurized the district magistrate and SDO during the last Lok Sabha elections. In Aramgarh, he said BJP candidates had lost by 2,500 votes because votes of 16 EVMs were not counted. And BJP had won Jhargram and Purulia Jilla Parishads, but votes for lotus symbol were replaced with TMC symbol overnight. This absolutely is very serious charge against Mamata Banerjee. And I have never heard anything like this in my over 2 decades of journalism, that a chief minister is indulging in such electoral malpractice. And the so-called torchbearers of democracy like Shashi Tharoor and Prashant Bhushan do not have anything to talk about it. If it is done by Mamata Banerjee, it is okay. Rahul Gandhi, it is okay. Sharad Pawar, it is okay. Uddhav Thackeray, it is okay. If a BJP leader does this, they all come out from their rat holes and start ranting about it the whole of their lives. However, they must appreciate that the Election Commission of India has swung into action and suspended 4 of its officials for violating EVM transport protocol and ordered a repoll. So the matter should end here, but we all know that they won't stop. They will go on and on and on. And for God's sake, EVMs are not the reason for BJP's or Narendra Modi's success of winning elections, but it is his policies, it is his pro-farmers and pro-poor schemes that is helping the BJP win elections after election. This is the truth. So, ladies and gentlemen, please spread this awareness among your relatives and friends. Thank you very much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Shri Ram.